As I said to you, Best Pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, you are wanted by authorities. Look, the vlogger on YouTube, Batang Maynila Tolits. You see this picture? He 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 criticized Best Pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo. You know, Best Pill, in a short, what I suggest to you, anyway, don't make fake news. And first, you're the one who did this to anybody. In the matter, in fact, you're the one who make a rape joke. You're the one who make nonsense. Even you damage other people. Even my teacher, my former teacher is May Tiburcio. Even Teacher Marisa, even Freli May Masalabsilos, Teacher Freli, even Teacher Rina Nebres, even Dublin Tilasor, Teacher Love, and especially Mina Suchoy, the Miss Earth 2022, even Michelle D, you included her name, even Shania Kayana, and also other people that you damage their names, even Isa Vancula, you include that her name. You know, Best Pill, Arnel Castillo, if you're watching this in my blog, you're the one who pushed that kid in SM Grand Central. You're the one who did this to other people, that you stole the bicycle in Las Piñas. You stole the bicycle of Jen Bravo in Las Piñas, and you're the one who stole the cell phone of Sir Calvin Cuevas in Marikina. So when are you gonna stop Best Pill, Arnel Castillo? Oh, and you're making a bunch of nonsense. You're making a act of lasciviousness. If I were both of you, Best Pill, Arnel Castillo, and Gina Sejo, I should put all of you, both of you, in my enemy list, that I move on from Rodelio Daguman, Anthony Solares, Ivy Montalayola, Dara May Tuason, Anya Santos Dumaloog, Jeffrey Beltran, and especially, like I said, that I move on from them. You know, Best Pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, don't make nonsense. You are a criminal. And you know, Gina Sejo, you're the one who scolded me in 2003 and 2004, way back in CDIFI. However, you're the one who did this to me last 2003 and 2004. If I were saying to you, both of you, Best Pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, and Gina Sejo, both of you should be in prison. It's not good to criticize anyone. Even Diwata, you damaging his reputation about Pares, and you call him GAGO. Best Pill, Arnel Castillo, you have no mercy. If you're watching in the blog, I will show you. Oh,
you want to work for Google or Facebook, the starting salary is $1,500.
Oh, you think you are crying, Bespil? Oh,
Umiiyak lang ako kasi ang sama ng loob ko.
you're the one who pushed that kid in SM Grand Central, Bespil, in the stairs. If you want to cry, like I said to you in Filipino, Bespil, umiyak ka na lang. Look.
Pinaglaban talaga siya ng tape. Sana maranasan niyo rin ang lungkot na nararamdaman namin. Nakakasama kasi ang loob. Dahil ilang buwan din namin yung binigay.
Alright, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat, mga kababayan, Batang Maynila to is. Sandali lang po itong ating pag-usapan at tungkol dito sa ating beshi. Dito po kay Best Kids. Kasi mga kababayan, ito po nga si Best Kids ko. Ay,
So, what do you think? Bespil, Arnel Castillo, you are wanted by NBI, even PNPO. Because for what you have done. Oh, Bespil, you're wanted. You want to cry anyway for what you have done, Bespil? However, you're not learning about your consequence. You know, Bespil, Arnel Castillo, everyone has evidence. Oh, Tero Francisco has evidence against Bespil. I've never used that phone, You know, you're the one who pushed that kid in SM Grand Central in the stairs. And second, my friend Donmar Dayaw had post in TikTok. Wait, in TikTok here. Not mine. Wait. Don't allow. Oh. Wait, I'm just searching. Look. You're still crying, Bespil. You ruin Diwata. Like I said in Filipino, umiyak ka na lang. You're just gonna cry like a baby. Poor Bespil. And look at this, best pill. Wait. Oh, if you seen this, you are wanted. However, that is not the way what you are doing, best pill, Arnel Castillo. So as for me, you should be face your consequence. Because right now, the authorities will have manhunt at you, best pill, Arnel Castillo. And don't make nonsense, best pill. And don't call me autistic. If you call me autistic, I should I will not gonna tolerate your behavior. So beat it, best pill, Arnel Castillo.